guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a makeup tutorial for you today. In today's video, I'm working with MUA Makeup Academy. They are sponsoring this video, so thank you so much, MUA Makeup Academy. I have a funny story, well, it's not really funny, but I have a little historical story about this brand. When I was living in Edinburgh, which would have been 8 or 9 years ago now, before I was ever a makeup artist, but I was obsessed with makeup, and I bought this white eyeshadow. It was just one single eyeshadow. I wish I'd kept it. I wish I still had it to show you guys. And I remember I bought it because it was so pigmented. And it was MUA Makeup Academy. And I bloody loved that eyeshadow. I hit pan on it. I bloody loved it. It was such an awesome product. And now, MUA Makeup Academy, they've always been cruelty free, but now they are vegan. Which obviously, being an animal lover, makes me so happy. And I know loads of you guys are animal lovers as well. So not only is MUA Makeup Academy as a brand cruelty free, all their products are now also vegan. So yay! So proud of this brand for doing that. That's such an awesome step to take. These products, as you'll see in the tutorial, are amazing quality, but they're also very inexpensive. They are not expensive products, and they are available in Superdrug. You can also get the products on the MUA website, and the brand has also taken a further step of commissioning a vegan report, which talks about the hidden non-vegan ingredients in makeup. So I'm going to put a link to that report in the description box down below as well, in case you guys want to check that out. So I'm going to stop jibber-jabbering and get into the tutorial now, and I really hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Okay, let's get into it. Guys, I look so bloody tired today, and I honestly don't feel that tired. I just look super tired, even my eyeballs are red. And I'm getting a cold sore ever since I gave birth. This cold sore has been trying to come up, and I keep trying to fight it down. And the more I try and fight it, the more it wants to come up, so it is there, and I'm annoyed about it. Anyway, I'm gonna put my foundation on first, because I want to get rid of this red skin ASAP. I'm gonna go in with the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Long Wear Matte Finish Foundation in the color 130. This foundation is meant to be a long wearing, full coverage matte foundation, which is exactly what I need and is right up my alley. So let's see how it goes. Ooh, that's odd. I like it. I like that it comes out on a spatula. That's especially amazing for professional makeup artists. You can just put this straight onto a palette and Bob's your uncle. So I'm just going to smooth this on my face, and then I'm going to pat it out with a damp beauty blender. That coverage is really good. I'm really impressed. It's not like a flat matte finish. It does still have some sheen to it. I'd probably call it like a satin matte finish. It's not one of those powder matte finishes, but it isn't shiny, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer now. I don't think I really have too much to conceal, but I want to try it out. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm using the color 142. So I'm just going to pop a little bit under my eyeballs and on my nose, because I think I need a bit more coverage there, and above my eyebrows. Basically, I need coverage everywhere at the minute. Oh yeah, that made a difference actually. Okay, now before I do anything else, I'm going to go in and set all that with powder before I start getting oily and shiny. I'm going to use the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Full Coverage Matte Pressed Powder in the color 130. I'm going to apply that just with a puff to my face. I always feel super naked without my lips, so I'm going to do my lips first. I'm going to go in with this combo. I'm going to go in with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, and that's going to help cover up my cold sore as well. So the lip liner I'm going to use is the MUA Makeup Academy Intense Color Lip Liner in the color TLC, and the Velvet Matte Long Wear Liquid Lip in the color Harmony. So as you can see, I'm just coloring my lips in with this. This is what I do on a daily basis, guys. I only ever wear, during the day, lip liners and lip balms. That's just what works for me. But for the purpose of this video, I want to try out the liquid lip as well. It does have a doe foot applicator, but because I've got a cold sore and I don't want to contaminate this beautiful liquid lipstick, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and then use a lip brush to apply it, because I can wash the lip brush. Okay, now I'm going to contour and bronze, and I'm actually going to use the same product for that. Look at this. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Bronze to Perfection Multi-Bronzing Powder in the color Golden Dunes. As you can see, there's a bunch of different colors in this one product. So there's colors that you can use for contouring over here and here and here. Then there's colors you can use for bronzing like this, and then you could even use this color up here as a highlight if you want to. So that's awesome. Because I'm super pale, I'm going to contour with this shade up here, and then I'm going to bronze with this shade down here. That blends out really nicely. Okay, so if you guys are pale and pink undertoned like me, that shade in there, it doesn't have its own name or anything like that, but that's a really good shade for contouring, because it's kind of like a grey beige. I'm gonna go in with that honey caramel shade there and just warm up any areas that the sun would hit naturally. Yes, look guys, look, I actually have cheekbones now. This is brilliant. Okay, now for the highlight, I'm going to go in with the MUA Makeup Academy Light Luster Highlight Kit in the colour Golden Delights. And I'm going to use this shade up the top here. It's more silvery than the rest. So with this product, you can use the colours individually, or you can combine like 2 of the colours together or 3 of the colours together to create your own shade, depending on your skin tone, etc. I'm just going to stick with this one today. Look at that, and look at this. I'm terrible at swatching, and that even looks good for me. Like, it's beautiful. It feels really buttery as well. It's not one of those like dry feeling powders. It's one of those like buttery feeling powders, like a creamy powder. I love that. Let's start on the eyes. Okay, I want to go for a really like cool toned glam look today, but nothing too complicated. So, oh, bloody hell, I almost dropped it. This is the eyeshadow palette I'm using. Look how awesome this palette is. All these shades. So this is the Flamethrower eyeshadow palette. It's got 20 eyeshadows. They are buildable talc-free pigments. You've got a mixture of shimmers, mattes, and glitters. I'm going to start off with this shade up here, just kind of like a light kind of grey caramel tone, and I'm just sweeping this all through my socket, not my crease, because I do have slightly hooded eyes. So if you guys have hooded eyes, don't concentrate this colour into your crease, concentrate it into the socket of your eye, which is higher than your crease if you have hooded eyes. Like, that's where your bone is basically. I'm also going in with that same shade, and I'm just like casually smoking out the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade, which is kind of like a grey taupey shade, and I'm focusing this into the socket as well, but lower down. I'm not going to blend this shade up as high, if you know what I mean. I'm going to keep this more positioned right into the socket and kind of add a bit of depth to the socket and make my eyes look bigger than they are. Also dusting it underneath the lower lashes for a smoky effect. Now I'm going to take this shade down here. It's like a matte cool toned mulberry. I don't know how else to describe it. And I'm just going to apply this to the outer corners of the eyes in like a C shape. And again, just building that pigment up. I am going to go in and blend that afterwards. I just want to get that colour payoff packed down first. So then I'm just going in and gently dusting that out. Also dusting that shade like above my lash line and kind of into my lashes as like a kind of, I don't know, just smoking out the lash line basically. This is what it's looking like so far. Love it. Then what I'm going to do is take this shade up here. This is like an ivory shimmery shade, and I'm going to, probably with my finger actually, apply this just on like the mobile lid to get that 3-dimensional popping effect. Okay, so that's my eyeshadow done. Now I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. I was going to go in with a black pencil liner, but I think a brown's going to work better with this look. So I'm going to go in with the MUA Makeup Academy Intense Color Eyeliner in the color Dusk. And I did it on this eye. What I'm doing is I'm just applying this to the waterline. So I'm applying it to the waterline like first. What the heck was that? What's a fly doing inside at night? Hey, guy. Ooh, then what I'm doing is I'm just kind of shutting my eye and I'm rummaging the eyeliner through my lashes. So I'm just deepening up that mulberry shade, and this is a really, really soft eyeliner pencil, so it's not going to like tug at your lashes. It's not going to be uncomfortable. It's really, really soft, so it kind of just melts into the lash line. I'm literally going over the top of my lashes. And that way you can really get this into the roots, and that'll make your lashes look so much thicker. Now what I'm going to do, and I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do, I feel like I might regret this, but I think I'm going to go in with a white on my bottom waterline because I look so tired. Hopefully this will make me look a little bit more awake. Oh, I haven't done this in such a long time. Ooh, ooh, that is so pigmented. I feel like it's rare to find a really pigmented white eyeliner, but that's gone on so well. I didn't even tell you what this is. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Intense Color Eyeliner in the color Snow Queen. Okay, so I'm going to do lashes and stuff like that, obviously, but I think I want to move on to brows now because I'm excited about these products. So I've got a brow gel here that I'm going to use. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Brow Define Longwear Brow Gel in the color Dark Brown. This is a little pot of brow gel. Looks like that. Then in the top, you have a built-in brow brush, which is a little angular brush. So I'm going to use that to apply it. Also going to use a brow pencil. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Brow Define Eyebrow Pencil with a blending brush. And this has got the cutest little brush built into it. Look how cute that is. It's like a tiny mini toothbrush or something. I love it. It's so cute. Then the pencil itself is angled like that. And again, I've got like a dark brown shade. So I'm going to go in with the pencil first. I'm going to blend it out with the brush. Then I'm going to do little eyebrow like hairs with the gel. Wow, that is quite the difference between my brows. So I'm just going to take the wee brush, it's so cute, and just blend that out so it's a little bit softer in my tuft area. Okay, now I'm going to take the brow gel and I'm just going to neaten up that tail a wee bit. I love how I say that and then I just go straight into the middle of the brow. Like, why do I bother talking? Okay guys, I'm now going in with mascara. I just put it on this eye and I'm blown away. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Amplify Statement Lash. This mascara has just made my lashes look so long and not at all clumpy, and I think it's because of this brush. This brush has got like a knob at the end. Oh my god. It does though, it's got like a bomby knocker at the end, which is spiky, and then it's got a really thick brush. My lashes here right now, like, well, you can't really look at them because they're pretty much invisible. Wait and watch. So I'm using like the little knob end to kind of like brush the product onto my lashes, and then the regular part of the brush, like the chunky part, to brush the product through the lashes, and it's giving me such massive lashes. And that, guys, is the look finished. I really, really hope you like it. I've really enjoyed creating it. These products, I know I'm working with them, but they actually are amazing. They are not expensive. They are cruelty-free and vegan, which is absolutely amazing because nobody wants to harm animals just to put makeup on their face. Like, it just doesn't, the mind boggles. So I'm so proud of MUA as a brand for not only being cruelty-free, but for being vegan as well. So you guys are amazing. All the products are available in Superdrug. They are also available on MUA's website, which I'm going to link in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little makeup tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up. Come follow me on Instagram. It'll be up here somewhere if you don't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.